friends and welcome back to my channel. This is me Riddhi from Riddhi's Creations. Hope all of you are doing well. So today I am doing a fun challenge and it is one of my favorite challenges. So it is a 2-minute Maggie challenge in which I'll be eating Maggie in just 2 minutes. So let's begin. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for latest updates. Now without any further delay, let's bring our Maggie. So here's our Maggie and our timer. So let's begin our fun challenge. So this was all for my today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it because I am a very big Maggie lover. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.